Hi everyone. Since I got over 4,000 views on my last video tutorial about making graphs on Paint for Crochet graphghans, I decided to make a new video to hopefully better explain the process and answer some of the questions I got on the last video. First off, we're going to open our picture in Paint and resize it. When resizing it, we want to decide how many stitches wide we want it or how many rows tall, one or the other. This is because the first thing we're going to do is make sure that maintain aspect ratio is checked, and this is where I was talking about stitches wide or rows tall. We're going to click to pixels, and each pixel is going to represent one stitch. Whenever we're doing how many stitches wide we want it, say I want my picture to be 150 stitches wide, it's automatically going to put how many rows tall. And we're going to put OK, and it's going to make your picture small. That maintain aspect ratio keeps you from stretching or skewing your picture out of whack. It says next we click View and check grid lines. And then we're going to zoom all the way in to 800. And each pixel on here is going to represent one stitch. Now some people asked what I meant by cleaning it up. What I mean by cleaning it up is, taking your eraser and anything that got blurred out that you don't want to include, go ahead and erase it out. Or take your pencil and anything that got blurred out that you do want to include, go ahead and fill that in, make it darker to where you can actually see and know that's going to get included in there. If you're going to just keep your picture on the computer screen so that you can mark it out as you go, and that's what I like to do, is just, I can mark it out as I go, know which stitch, which row I'm on, then you're finished at this point. If you're one of those people that likes to print out your graph, it's not going to automatically print with the graph. If you go up here and then, go to your print sample, it's not going to show you your graph on there. It's just going to show you a little blurred picture. So what you're going to have to do at that point is take a screenshot, and you can hold down Control and Print Screen, and then go to a new document and paste that on there, and then cut out your graph part, and that's what you're going to print out. If your picture is big to where whenever you zoom it in, it's not all on one screen, you might have to take multiple screenshots and then puzzle the pieces together and then print it out. But that's the only way that I know to print it out with the grid lines on there. I think I've covered everything, so if anyone has any questions, feel free to comment below or to find me on Facebook and ask me on my page. I don't have a problem with that whatsoever. My Facebook page is facebook.com/kfoxyscreations.